3. Are there any questions for number 3?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to number 4. According to the pattern shown below, how many circles is or are there in the 67th group? Okay, I see Jaira Jeremiah is raising their hand. Do you want to answer for number 4?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So in the pattern below, you you can see that in the pattern there's one symbol in the first group, three symbols in the second group, five symbols in the third group, and then seven symbols in the fourth group. So what you're gonna what you're gonna do is you are gonna the the 67 group is an odd number because because the symbols here is 1, 3, 5, and 7.
Okay.
So what you can see is like here I'm just I so like there's in this here it's like one symbol, so that's one, and then in all the symbols here and the number of symbols here are the same, so this one is basically the one of the symbols in the 67 group. So minus 1, 67 minus 1 is 66. 6 and there are two of these, so 66 times 2 is equal to 132 plus 1 is
Okay.
equals is equal to 133.
Okay, very good. The answer is 133. So thank you for that, Jaire. The pattern here, there are many ways to figure out the pattern, but the most common one, or at least the most obvious one, is just if the label of the group is n, then it is just 2n minus 1, and that will give you the number of symbols inside the figure. So for the first group, that's 2 times 1 minus 1, or 1. For the second group, that's 2 times 2 minus 1. That's equal to 3. For the third group, that's 3 times 2 minus 1, and that is 5. So for the last one, 67 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 134 minus 1. Again, please stop writing on the board, administrator. Okay. So the correct answer then, 67 times 2 minus 1, 134 minus 1, that is 133. And that is going to be our final answer for number 4. Are there any questions for number 4? Okay. So again, thank you for the answer, Jairen. For everyone that also answered 133, very good. See, number 5. If we subtract 3 from Michael's age this year, and the difference is divided by 6, 7 is added to the quotient, and the sum is multiplied by 4, the result will be 48. How old is Michael's uncle this year? Okay, so does anybody want to volunteer for number 5?
Me po.
Okay, I see.
Em ấn Ctrl